Today we're cooking something special. A camel kabsa. You heard me, camel kabsa. Inspired by flavors of Saudi Arabia and the Gulf. Now, traditionally, kabsa is made with camel chunks, but ground camel is becoming more common and it cooks faster. So if you never cooked camel before, this is the recipe to start with. Let's create. So in a heavy pot, add a couple tablespoons of ghee, which is clarified butter. And once it melts, you're going to add your ground camel, okay? And this is very important. Do not rush this part. Remember that. Do not rush this part. Okay? The thing is that you have to let it brown because camel is lean. So you want that deep caramelization. Okay? Once the camel has its color, add the diced onion and let them soften, okay? Then add the minced garlic and mix it up for about 30 seconds, okay? Now adding a couple tablespoons of tomato paste. You're going to add it. And you're going to mix it up. And cook it until it turns dark, okay? That is how you unlock the flavors. See? It looks like dark brick, okay? So now it comes the spices. Now come the spices. And what I have here is the cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, coriander, cardamom, black pepper, paprika. This is the Gulf cooking, okay? Now we're going to add the diced tomato. And a little grated carrot, small carrot grated. Going to add that too. This is very traditional in Kabsa. And this is what is going to add the sweetness and color. Now we're going to have about 2.5 cups of, I'm going to use chicken stock. You can use chicken broth, okay? 2.5. And now come the star of the show. I have a couple black limes, a puncture, then about 3 little punctures, okay? And they also known as Loomi. And what I'm going to do after I pierce them a few times, so the flavors release, I'm going to add. And this is what I'm going to do, is going to add citrus, earthiness, and the Gulf aroma, okay? Let me put a bay leaf there too, right? And now what I'm going to add, I'm going to add a couple cups of rice. Basmati rice, okay? And then I'm going to kind of push it down, you know what I mean? To push it down a little. And now I'm going to cover it and I'm going to drop the heat to low, okay? Let me cover it and drop the heat to low. And I'm going to let it steam for about 18 to 20 minutes. But I'm going to keep watch to make sure, it does its thing. Because it might take, sooner or longer. You don't know. It depends on the stove, okay? When it's done, turn off the heat and let it rest for about 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Let me shift it gently. Oh, look how fluffy. Look how fluffy. And look at that color. Look at that color. See? Grainy and a nice color. And this smell is amazing. And you can finish this with some toasted cashews or almonds, some French herbs. But I'm going with some toasted nuts, okay? You can put it on top. Excellent. And that's that. Is your Camel Kabsa modern, flavorful, and absolutely packed with Middle East aromatics.